Non, ma qualcosa.
Showing it's a physical game and it's a fair one. And he takes the shot.
Eles têm full. Como é que começou tudo? Ali é o mesmo. Ninguém vai mais, mano.
Xavi. Be an interesting time for Barcelona now. I think Messi signed a new long-term contract, new manager, to see whether they can recreate what they've done before, whether they'll have to go a different route to try and get there.
Well, maybe so. Different managers have different methods, and they've obviously got the likes of Xavi and Iniesta towards the end of their influence at the football club. Well, there's Puyol as well retiring, so it's going to be a new era for the club.
Lewandowski is potential offside.
Yeah, you look at it, there's no doubt about it. He went too early there.
Here's the chance.
Ninguém vai mais,
Spectacularly. Another goal.
Just keeps his head. Keeper no chance there.
Now it's offside against Thomas Müller.